Hi, thanks for checking out our 2019 Ford Mondeo Ambiente we have here. This one's got projector headlights, front parking sensors, and is great condition with the alloy wheels with Goodyear tyres. Coming down to the side, you get pricey tint standard, and these are really well appointed. You got soft touch trim, side airbags, Apple CarPlay, Android Audio. Coming through in the back, you also get airbags built into the seatbelt as well for the rear occupants of the car. Leather wrap steering wheel, satellite navigation. Coming through around into the back of the car, this is the last of the Mondeos, so it does have that new rear tail light stripping across there and LED tail lights. Quick release on the back. As you can see through in here, it's in great condition. You got your child restraints through the back there and much more. Being a 19, it is actually covered under the new car warranty. You got a 5-year unlimited K warranty. And one of the other great things is this one's only got low Ks. It's just travelled 63,000 Ks. Reverse camera with your zoom function and heat seats, more dual zone climate control. We do have a range of finance and protection plans available. We look forward to speaking to you soon.